Dubai. Just saying the word brings to mind glittering skyscrapers, luxury cars, world-class shopping malls, and futuristic living. But in 2025, Dubai isn't just a holiday destination. It's a city that's attracting people from every corner of the world, from entrepreneurs to digital nomads, retirees to celebrities. More and more people are actually moving to Dubai. But why? What makes this city such a magnet for global citizens? Today we're diving into all the reasons why everyone is moving to Dubai in 2025, and why it might just be the most unique city on earth. Let's start with the number one reason: money. The United Arab Emirates has no personal income tax. That means you keep 100% of your salary. Imagine earning six figures and not giving a third of it away to the government. For entrepreneurs, freelancers, and professionals, this is a game changer. Dubai has also introduced long-term visas for investors, business owners, and even digital nomads, which makes living there more accessible than ever. But it's not just about saving money. It's about building wealth in a place that's designed for opportunity. The second reason is safety. Dubai is consistently ranked as one of the safest cities in the world. Crime rates are extremely low, and the city is known for its strict laws and strong enforcement. For families, that means peace of mind. For women, it means being able to walk alone at night without worry. For wealthy individuals and celebrities, it means being able to live openly in luxury, without constant security fears. In a world where safety is becoming rare, Dubai offers stability and protection. Now let's talk about property. Dubai's real estate market has become one of the most attractive in the world. In 2025, investors are still flocking to buy property in the city, not just for the lifestyle, but for returns. From sleek apartments in the marina to lavish villas on the Palm Jumeirah, Dubai offers a huge range of options. And compared to property prices in London, New York, or Hong Kong, luxury real estate in Dubai is often more affordable for what you get. For global citizens, owning a piece of Dubai isn't just about living there. It's about having an asset in one of the fastest growing markets. Another huge factor: business opportunities. Dubai has transformed from a desert trading post to one of the most important business hubs on the planet. Its location is strategic, a central hub connecting Europe, Asia, and Africa, with flights of only a few hours to major global markets. The government has created free zones where companies can set up with 100% ownership, no corporate tax, and minimal bureaucracy. That's why thousands of startups, tech firms, and global corporations now call Dubai home. For entrepreneurs, it's one of the easiest places to start and grow a business, and with business comes networking. Dubai is full of ambitious, driven people from all over the world. In one night out, you might meet a startup founder from Silicon Valley, an investor from London, and a creative from Mumbai. The expat community is massive, and it creates a global village where opportunities can be found anywhere, at business events, in co-working spaces, or even at brunch. For anyone who wants to grow a network and scale ideas internationally, Dubai is a goldmine. Of course, we can't ignore lifestyle. Dubai has everything in one place: world-class shopping malls with indoor ski slopes, beaches, desert safaris, luxury spas, rooftop pools, Michelin star restaurants, and endless entertainment. Want to relax on a yacht in the morning, ski in the afternoon, and party on a rooftop at night? Dubai makes it possible, and with year-round sunshine, you never have to worry about cold winters or rainy seasons. Another reason people are drawn to Dubai in 2025 is accessibility. The city is perfectly located as a global travel hub. Dubai International Airport is one of the busiest in the world, with direct flights to almost every major city. That means you can fly to London in 7 hours, Singapore in 6, or Africa in just a few. For business travellers, expats with family abroad, or people who just love to explore, Dubai is an unbeatable base. Now let's talk about who's actually moving to Dubai. It's not just professionals and entrepreneurs. It's celebrities, athletes, and the ultra-wealthy. Stars from football, Hollywood, and music have all bought property in Dubai. Why? Because it's safe, it's glamorous, and it's tax-free. Imagine saving millions every year simply by basing yourself in Dubai. That's why the city is full of Lamborghinis, Rolls-Royces, and super yachts. It's not just for show, it's because the world's wealthy are really moving there. But it's not just about the rich. Dubai has become increasingly welcoming to remote workers, freelancers, and even retirees. The government has introduced special visas to attract global citizens of all income levels. Digital nomads can now live and work there without complicated paperwork, while retirees are offered long-term visas if they meet certain savings or income requirements. Unlike some countries that shut people out, Dubai is opening its doors wider than ever. Another reason is image. Dubai has built itself into a global brand, a symbol of ambition, luxury, and futuristic living. Social media is filled with influencers showing off the Dubai lifestyle, from rooftop brunches to high-end shopping. Moving to Dubai isn't just a financial decision. For many, it's about status and being part of something bigger. The city markets itself as a place where anything is possible, and that image attracts dreamers and doers alike. And let's not forget infrastructure. Dubai's public transport system is modern and efficient, with driverless metro lines, affordable taxis, and one of the busiest airports in the world. Roads are wide, internet speeds are among the fastest globally, and healthcare is excellent, though expensive if you're paying privately. For families, international schools offer high-quality education, often with British or American curriculums. Dubai has built an ecosystem where everything is designed to work smoothly for its residents. But we also have to be honest, Dubai isn't for everyone. Life here can be expensive. Rent for a one-bedroom apartment is $1,500 to $2,500 a month, and schooling, healthcare, and daily living costs add up quickly. Summers are brutally hot, with temperatures over 40 degrees Celsius, and cultural differences mean it's not the same as living in Europe or the US, and while it's modern, it's still a conservative society in many ways. These are things people need to weigh before making the move. So why is everyone moving to Dubai in 2025? It's the perfect combination of no income tax, booming opportunities, incredible safety, luxury lifestyle, global networking, celebrity appeal, world-class infrastructure, and easy access to the rest of the world. It has everything in one place, and it makes people feel like they're living in the future. Would you move to Dubai to save on taxes, grow your business, and live a luxurious lifestyle, even if it means paying more for rent and food? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to subscribe to Travel Finance World for more weekly insights into travel, money, and the real cost of living abroad. Until next time, keep traveling smart, chase opportunities, and always keep your wallet global.